After completing installation, test the eyewash station for proper operation by pulling down the tray. Check for proper water flow and quickly close the tray. Visually inspect the eyewash unit weekly for cleanliness and proper solution level per ANSI standards. When the water level drops below the 15-minute fill line or looks contaminated, the tank must be emptied and refilled. Check the water supply hose at the basin of the eyewash unit for cracks or leaks. The spray heads are attached to the arm with screws that can be detached from the tray for cleaning. Use a 9/64 hex head Allen wrench to remove and install the spray heads. If the eyewash unit is not working properly, remove it from the hazard area and contact Bradley Corporation immediately. When using potable water with water preservative, carefully remove the eyewash tank from the pedestal and drain the water solution from the tank in an approved drain. Follow manufacturer instructions on the water preservative for when to change out the water. Next, drain the pedestal by pulling the handle down and draining the water from the piercing tool reservoir. When not using a waste cart, the pedestal has a drain hole which will accept a 1/2-inch ID tube in the underside of the hole. Take a brush and clean the pedestal reservoir using a non-tearing soap. Rinse thoroughly, making sure to flush all debris from the clear water supply hose connected to the eyewash. Clean the inside of the tank using warm water and a non-tearing soap, rinsing thoroughly. Refill the eyewash with potable tepid water and follow instructions of the preservative manufacturer for proper use. Then reinstall the tank. When using potable water only, empty the tank anytime up to once per month depending on the quality of your water supply.